About 2 years ago, we started on our own digital transformation. And the two things that we focused on was, first of all, the customer. We focused on changing our organization to become a more customer-centric organization. So a lot of the things that you've heard here at Cisco Live about CX, they actually resonate for us because we're along the same journey, and we're making a similar type of changes to become a more customer-centric organization, deliver that personalized customer experience to the customers, to your end users. So that's the first change that we made as part of our transformation. The second change that we made was to start to become a data-centric organization. Data. And I think we've all heard the past week, and we all know pretty well the past couple of years, that data is the new source of value. And all our purposes is how we unlock the knowledge, how we unlock insights out of that data to deliver more value to our organization. So we believe that for us to be able to achieve our transformation, we had to do it inside out. We had to do it first for ourselves, and then engage with our customers and partners on a co-innovation journey to go down this data path. So let's get started. Go forward. We have designed the data journey from upstream. And the first component of our data journey is collecting that data. So we've actually, as part of our rich structure, we've created an IoT business unit, a specific business unit, where we've put together all our assets, resources, portfolio to deliver IoT solutions to our customers. And one of the components of the solution, for example, is to have a sensor marketplace. So these are sensors that have been validated by Orange Business Services across for specific verticals. So they could be oil and gas, where we've had some significant success. They could be the connected cars in financial services. So we've validated these sensors as part of our IoT solution. We've also extended that to a platform. So we have our IoT platform that allows us to orchestrate the end-to-end components of any IoT solution. And bringing in innovation today is 5G and edge computing. With IoT, there will be a need to process some of that data locally, and then some of that data within the cloud. So when looking at connected vehicles, we need to process that data locally. And so we will need edge computing. And then in other instances, for other use cases, we'll need to process that data within the cloud. The second component of our data journey is, of course, transport. This is our DNA, this is the core services that we deliver to enterprises, is global transport. And our focus has been on re-engineering our transport solutions for the future need, to be able to be connected everywhere, to deal with the large volumes of traffic, to deal with the shifts and the moves to cloud. And so we have firmly gone down the path of SDX, SD-WAN and SD-LAN, and today we are the leading global managed services provider for SD-WAN solutions to the enterprise. We lead with the Cisco SD-WAN, and we've delivered some significant scale SD-WAN solutions to large enterprise across thousands of sites. So this, of course, delivers the agility that is required, being able to orchestrate your network from a single point. It delivers automation to be able to scale that quickly and rapidly make changes, bringing error-free networking as you roll out your SD-WAN solution. It brings all the advantages and the benefits that you would require to moving to your next generation networks. And we are integrating analytics and AI ops to decrease some of the challenges we all had as network engineers, identifying root cause when you had multiple failures, dealing with all the noise. So integrating AI ops into our SD-WAN solutions has brought significant benefits in terms of delivering the next generation network that is required for a digital enterprise. The next phase of our data journey is around store and process. So you've collected the data, you've transported it to wherever you need that information. And today, with the explosion of data, you need to be able to store and process. Of course, a lot of that data is in any type of cloud, public or private, multi-public clouds. And so we have tools that we've developed to enable enterprises to manage multi-clouds. And in addition to that, we have developed data lakes that allows to store those high volume of data. Having all that data available and being able to go delve into that data and bring insights into customers. So last year we acquired a data company called Business Decisions, which is now part of Orange, and comprises about 2,000 data analysts and data scientists, and their job is to help us as part of that data journey, as part of becoming a data company. These are the people within this company. They're completely different from most of us. They're all network engineers. One of the gentlemen with us he was an economist, and so he comes from the business end, understanding what that data means and how you could use that data to bring insights, how you could think of new business models, how that data can be used to understand the behavior of your customers, how that data can be used to understand what changes you need to be able to make, again, to bring more value to your organization. So Business and Decisions has certainly brought us a lot of capability in analyzing and unlocking the insights into the data. The next stage is being able to get all our teams to collaborate. So we need to be able to get all our teams to collaborate in a very simple fashion. And I certainly loved Amy Chang's keynote, where the whole division of cognitive. And within Orange Business Services, we have already pulled together our global collaboration solutions, which are tied into our DNA of network. So we have the voice component, a global voice capability, and integrating that into WebEx, Teams, meetings, calling. We are able to deliver for all enterprise global collaboration solutions, which extend out to the end users with chatbots and multiple types of contact center applications that allow to collaborate effectively. And all of this would not work. The new digital enterprise, the new world we're going into, needs trust, security, and of course compliance. And so we have developed cybersecurity solutions, again on a global basis, that allows us to provide managed cybersecurity solutions for the global enterprise to secure the entire data journey. So this is the vision that we have, that we believe we need to develop together as we all seek to bring more value to our organizations and enable the digital transformations within our organizations. So some of the data challenges that we faced, and I think most of you face within your organizations, and some of these were discussed earlier in the keynotes. Starting out, well, it all started out the core enterprise that was easy, although it was global, we still had to manage it in challenging parts of the world, but we could contain that. So business ecosystems is our customers, our partners, bringing all of that, allowing us to innovate together. Dealing with real-time and stored data. Oops, I need to go back one. Yeah, dealing with real-time and stored data, having to protect all of that information, and bring together the entire value chain, integrating IT with OT, bringing all those objects together, the extended objects together within an IT framework. The three key strategies that we've identified for success that we would recommend: focus on quick wins. We have to deliver quick wins within our organization that would allow us to continue to evolve and deliver the promise of digital. Second, the high impact projects. We need to identify what are the projects that would have ROI, what are the projects that would deliver value, significant value to our enterprise or to our customers, and those are the ones we have to focus on. And as I said earlier, we all need to foster a data-centric culture. We all need to think data. please join us at, let's see, which booth were we on? I've forgotten the booth.
529.
529, thank you very much. Please join us at booth 529, where we'll go into more detail on some of the solutions that I talked about. Our SD-WAN solution, our collaboration solutions, our solutions around data, analytics and AI. So please join us. I will be pleased to go in more depth, show some of the capability that we have, and really have a conversation on how together we can build the digital enterprise of the future. The belief at Orange today is that we need to co-innovate. It's a three-party relationship between the customer, the enterprise, the partner, and Orange Business Services working together to roll out these solutions for the digital enterprise. Thank you very much, and I look forward to meeting all of you anytime.
Excellent. How about a nice thank you to Sam Nchinda of Orange Business Services. Fantastic. Wow, we need to have